Let us continue with Magic Design for videos. Yes, you heard me right. You can use Magic Design for video creations too. And how do we do that? I think it's the time that we need to jump onto my screen and let's see it for ourselves how this Magic Design for video works. We have Magic Design for video. We click on try now. Transform your content into short, shareable videos with built-in music in seconds with Magic Design for video. Start by uploading images, videos, or both. Select your clips and enter a short description about your video. Magic Design for video will generate the rest, and every even perfectly sync a track for it. That sounds amazing, but let's see if it really does what it says. Here we are on the page that says that okay. So it created so now the first thing that it asks us is to select 3 to 4, at least 3 files. Could be an image, could be a video. So we go back and we try to select a few of these. Okay, let's start with this one, then select this, select this one, select this, okay, select this. So we've selected 6 of them, I think. Okay, I'm just trying to be a little okay. Now example, what do I want? A video to promote my Canva course and generate. It's doing the magic, creating or generating the video for us. Does it deliver what it promised? We'll see it soon on my computer screen. Here we almost have it. Is it ready? Yes, it is, and it has added some tracks as well as I see it. So let's see. I'm Savan and I'm here to help you learn Canva. That's interesting. I'll teach you everything you need to know to create stunning graphics. Okay, learn Canva with Savan Kumar. That's nice. This course is perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Learn from the best. Sign up today and start learning. And it used my logo as well without me having asked for it. I did not add this, right? Did I? No. Now what we can also do is we can change the text. We can change the alignments. Let's say we didn't want the image over here. We didn't like the text over there. So we can always change it. Same for this. And same for all of this. If we did not like any of those things, we can always change the font and the content and the background image. We can do those small editings, but it does do the job of giving us a decent image. Here we are with a video, and now we can always go and download the video like we always do. But yeah, this was magic with videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us jump on to the next session.